गोंय पर्यटन उदरगत महामंडळान काबो दे रामा किल्ल्याचे नूतनीकरण आनी सोबितीकरण करपाचो थारायला। हो किल्लो इतिहासीक काळांतलो जावन आसा। ह्या किल्ल्याचे नूतनीकरण न्हय तर संवर्धन करचे अशें मत डेंपे महाविद्यालयाचो इतिहासकार प्रज्वल साकरदांडेन उक्तायला।
They should have said conservation, and they should have said conservation, period. No more, because in the name of renovations and beautifications, they are trying. They will make a new fort, build a new fort, take off all the original stones, all the original look, historicity and heritage character of the fort will be destroyed. So let them revisit their tender and say that it is conservation, and the archaeology department should monitor every stone, every piece that they are going to should conserve. Okay, every stone and every this. So we are strongly objecting to the words of renovation, and we want that the archaeology department should be taken into cognizance, and the archaeology department should conserve it as in situ, as the original structure is, not to bring in new interventions and not to change any stone.